notice all the songbirds that make me cry. I wonder how we got here, sleepwalking through a day. All the stories we've abandoned, all the buildings that we raised. It's time to relax, find a peace of mind, see the beauty that surrounds us, all the empty space inside, and then we'll fall in love. We'll fall in love so easily, in just a little part of everybody. Cycle through these dreams, searching for the meaning of the poisons that we drink. Can't see the stars through a clouded mind. We'll start from the beginning, rooted in love's spine. Then we'll fall in love. We'll fall in love so easily, in just a little part of everybody. I'd like to be above it, but I'm only human. I feel weird, I feel strange, thoughts meander around my brain. Instead of going under, I'll become a lover. Ceaseless laughter, unnamed joy, love exploding from my heart. And then we'll fall in love. We'll fall in love so easily, with just a little part of everybody. Yes, we'll fall in love. We'll fall in love so tenderly, in just a little part of everybody.
Sino?
Parang this is my first ever celebration. Tapos, yung iba pa dito nag-leave sa trabaho. Thank you guys. Lalo si CJ, ang mahal na araw nito. Taga-Ateneo eh. Tapos nag-leave si CJ.
Nagulat na ako eh. Hindi nag-leave.
Kasi mukha siyang pera, pero hindi siya nag-leave sa trabaho. Kasi parang magalit araw nito. Huwag na magalit, Obi.
Gusto rin niya kumain.
Kaya tayo nag-aaway lagi. Okay. 1, 2.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Happy birthday. Congratulations.
Picture na ba?
Isa pa yung low.
Uy, alam niyo ba na tapos yung tumbong ko tumama sa Nadulas ka. Nadulas ka kasi yung basa yung paa mo, tapos basa din yung stairs.
Oo. alam mo na, nabawal tumakbo.
Oo.
Ay, ang cute pa siya, events.
Event place talaga siya, Aubrey, para sa iyo.
O, dito ka na daw mag-ano. Shit,
Uy, cotillion na, guys. Cotillion.
Biling na coyote.
Paano ko mag-swing? Joke lang, oh. Diba magaling din. Nahinig sa akin.
After man, ang gaganda. Alay lakad sila. Alay lakad.